The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is the anticipated successor to the current greatest foldable phone you can buy. But if Samsung wants to preserve that title, it will need to improve its game. After a couple of years of minor Z Fold changes, we're expecting to see larger ones with the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The Google Pixel Fold has debuted and will begin delivering in June, which has increased competition in the smartphone market. Motorola's Foldable is also on the way, and one from OnePlus is expected soon. So how does Samsung keep its edge? Leading Galaxy's Z Fold 5 rumors point to a new water drop hinge design that could minimize the crease, a lighter build, of faster processor, and possible camera upgrades. A likely Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 launch timetable is taking shape now that Samsung has announced it will have its next Galaxy Unpacked event in South Korea. In announcing the event, Samsung said that foldable phones would be the emphasis. Samsung hasn't specified a specific date, but that's where the rumor mill comes in. The most certain rumor to date dates the Galaxy Unpacked launch event on July 26th, according to various sources. Assuming the July 26th rumor is correct, a Korean magazine anticipates the worldwide launch of Samsung's new foldables, which include the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the Galaxy Z Fold 5, on August 11th. We also have no price information, although by default, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 would cost $1,799/$1,649 $2,499, much as the Galaxy Z Fold 4. However, one source claims it might be a little cheaper. Even if the price drops, we feel Samsung needs a cheaper full-size foldable to entice more customers to switch to foldable phones. In terms of color, analyst Ross Young expects the Z Fold 5 will be available in 5 distinct shades: blue, platinum, beige, black, and light blue. Another rumor indicates that Samsung may be able to totally erase the crease on the Fold 5 with a new water drop type hinge. The new construction may function by enabling portions of the inner screen to roll within the phone's main body to avoid the display from wrinkling. Internally, Samsung seems to refer to this mechanism as a dumbbell hinge, and the firm allegedly patented this concept in 2016. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.